Lifetime Reselling eBay and Poshmark, and today I have a garage sale haul for you guys. I'm really excited about this haul because I found a few really great pieces I wanted to show you guys. So my town had citywide garage sales this past weekend, and I didn't end up getting out too early because this past week was my first full week at school, and I have to admit I was a little bit exhausted because I'm not used to getting up so early. And then on Friday night I was up pretty late. My husband and I went to the gym pretty late at night, so I ended up not getting home till pretty late, and then we ate when we got home, and I just ended up sleeping in, so I didn't really get up early for garage sales. I would say I kind of got the leftovers at the garage sale, but it still worked out in my favor, which was awesome. So I didn't go out till probably early afternoon. So a lot of the garage sales were closing up, or pretty quick to closing up. And my husband, I was waiting kind of for him. He had some things he needed to do, and I wanted to go together. So we drove around, and not too far from our house, there's like a subdivision, and there was a couple garage sales there. So we stopped at one and didn't find anything. Most of it was like baby clothes and stuff, and I don't have any kids yet. I don't have any babies, so I didn't find anything there. And then we drove a little bit farther in, and we found another rummage sale. And it was, I would say, in a nicer part of town. And there was quite a few items that were name brand, which was pretty exciting. And also things that were really close to like my size. So I might keep a few of these things. I'm not sure exactly, but yeah. So I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff that I got. We stopped at a few other garage sales, and I found a couple of things here and there. So I'm just going to show you guys. I don't have it like in any particular order, but these couple pieces that I'm going to show you now, I really got based on what they were. They were vintage. I'm really into getting vintage t-shirts. Even if they're not like something really desirable, I still really love getting vintage stuff and rescuing it. So I got this. I think I paid $1 for it. It's definitely an older tag, but it's not vintage because it is double stitch. This is a Bahamas t-shirt. It says it's better in the Bahamas. So it's just a white t-shirt, and it's in pretty decent condition. I have to say, this particular garage sale, she didn't have anything marked, and I really hate that when people have stuff marked, because I wouldn't say I'm really a haggler, and when people don't have stuff marked, then I have to ask them, how much are your clothes? Excuse me. And I'm getting better at it, though, because I've been watching the Poetry of Nice, and she's been doing a lot of yard sale haul and like yard selling, garage selling with her videos. And so I kind of was like trying to, because she always asks people questions, and she always she'll haggle with people too sometimes. So I'm trying to get a little bit of that confidence when I go out. So this, my husband said, is a metal band sweatshirt. It's called Pierce the Veil. He said it's a metal band. And so I'm going to put this up online. Hopefully it'll sell for like $20 or $30. I paid $2 or $3 for the sweatshirt and $1 for the t-shirt, or $2 for the t-shirt. Like I said, she had everything priced, and she was really acting like she wanted to get rid of stuff, but then her prices were kind of high in my opinion. For a t-shirt, I think the t-shirt should have been no more than $1, and a sweatshirt maybe no more than $2. But I did pick it up because my husband said it's a metal band, so it's a band hoodie. I picked this up purely on style. I don't know. It's not branded. Probably she got it when she went on a cruise or somewhere. It kind of looks like a Bahamas thing, so it's just a crossbody purse, but I thought it was cool because it has this really nice embroidered lion. And it was marked for $1, so I did pick this up. It's purely based on the way it looks with if it didn't have a lion, I probably wouldn't have got it. But, so, she had it marked for $1, and then she wanted to charge me $3 for it because she didn't see the marking for $1. And I was like, oh, there's a price tag, it's only supposed to be $1. And she's like, oh, who changed my prices? And there was a bunch of other neighbors that were sitting there, obviously she knew. And then, you know, like, and I'm like, yeah, I don't think I'm going to change your prices. I think you just didn't know what you marked it for. I'm like, yeah, definitely would not pay $3 for that. So when I was like looking through the clothes that are like hung up in the garage, and there was like a dress, and I was like, well, how much are your dresses? And so she wanted me to show her the dress, so I showed her the dress. I don't know, would you pay $5? I'm like, no, I wouldn't pay $5. She's like, 3. I was like, maybe, but like I didn't end up getting it because it wasn't in very good condition. There was some like thread coming out. Yeah, so it was just kind of weird. I don't know. She was nice enough, but it was just weird. It's just like, this is a garage sale. I don't want to pay Goodwill prices. Like, it's a garage sale, in my opinion. Okay, so we stopped at, like, I would say I got stuff at 4 different garage sales. I'm going to save the best for last. But this garage sale we stopped at, this lady obviously was a 31 consultant because she was selling a lot of 31 stuff. I didn't buy any of that because that was all really expensive. But this is a brand new with tags, Ralph Lauren, like a canvas shoulder purse. I kind of liked it because it reminded me of the 90s. So I think it's vintage. And it's new with tags. So I definitely picked it up. I'm hoping for 25 to 30. We'll see. It looked like they'd go for around 20 to 30. So it's in excellent condition. This I picked up at a rummage sale that they were actually closing up when we got there, but she said you could still look. And then I asked her how much it was, and I said, would you take $2 for it? And she's like, yeah. So this is Torrid, and they had other Torrid, but this is the piece that stood out to me the most that I wanted to get. It's like kind of like an open front blazer, and it's this really pretty like teal periwinkle color. It's a great size too, so I was excited about that. Now, this stuff is from the garage sale that I found a bunch of stuff that's like my size and some really great brands. I was really excited. I walked up and I saw like a Lucky Brand tank top, and I'm like, oh, this person might have some nice brands. And then I saw some different jeans and things like that. I'm like, ooh. And so I was like really excited, and the prices were pretty good. I got quite a few pieces, and I think she gave me a deal. She ended up giving me a bunch of the stuff for $10, and then my husband purchased a Harley Davidson leather jacket for $10, and that's a really good price. He's going to resell it. We spent a total of $30 there, though. Okay, so I don't know. I might keep some of this for myself. We'll see if it fits, but I thought these were super cute. These are just Lucky Brand jeans. The jeans were only $2. But it has a super cute hem. So I thought that the hem made it worth it. And it looks like it's, well, maybe it's not. They're size 8, the Lolita Skinny. I was thinking that they were a little bit more high rise, but maybe they're not. I don't know. That's probably, here, I got my, high rise is my favorite rise to wear, so it's a 9-inch rise, so it's not super high, but yeah. Anyway, I thought they were cute, and then they got like distressing and stuff. I don't know if I'll keep them for myself or not. I might. And then I got these. These are cut from the cloth. These were also $2. And these might be more than 9 inches. Nope, those are 9-inch too. These are the Reese Crop Flare. And I'm pretty short, so I'm thinking these might actually fit me as a regular jean. We'll see. If they do, I'll probably keep them. But yeah, so those were each $2. Well, that's what they were marked at least. And then I was really excited because these are brands that I just don't find a lot in the area. Okay, this is a 41 Hawthorne, which I honestly don't recommend picking up because I have a really hard time selling it. I'm going to try to sell it and send it into ThredUp, but right now ThredUp's not accepting. You can't even order bags, so like clear out bags. So right now I'm just kind of putting together stuff that I'm gonna eventually send in. So I'll probably list this, but maybe pull it if I decide to send it into ThredUp, which I think I probably will. So it's 41 Hawthorne, and I think maybe they sell this on Stitch Fix. But I thought it was kind of cute. It's navy blue and red, It's a pretty sleeveless blouse. I liked it because it kind of reminded me of like nautical because of the colors. This brand I'm not sure is anything, but it was like $1, so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get it. And I thought it was cute. I'm not sure where they sell this. It is acrylic wool and wool, and it's by the brand Fate. Tell me if you guys have heard of this brand. I don't know. I got it because it was like $1, and I thought it was cute. It was really soft. It's just a button up, and it's got that. So the back is kind of like open. So yeah. Anyway, it was soft, so I'm like, I'm gonna get it. This is Honey Punch, which I've heard of, but honestly, I don't think it sells for much, but I can't remember. This is Honey Punch. Okay, so I got this purely because of the style. It says Weekend. It's just a black sweater, and I just thought it was cute. I think people would like that. Everything seemed to be in pretty decent condition. This I was really excited about. It had a little bit of pilling, but honestly, it's not bad, and it's Rails. Rails doesn't do as well as it used to, but I mean, these are brands that I rarely find around here. Like, that's a brand I rarely find. I picked this up because it was $1, and it's just a North Face top shirt. But, you know, there are some people that really like North Face, and I think I could probably sell it for $15 to $20. We'll see. I was excited to find this, too. This is Kalia by Carrie Underwood. She has an athletic brand, and it's just like an open front, like, athletic cardigan. You could probably tie it. It's got that. Yeah, it's hooded. So I was like, well, I could always keep it, too, for myself. Nothing, like, really spectacular. So she had a few things hanging, and I ended up just walking right past it originally because I kind of thought it was all men's stuff. I was like, oh, I better check over there, and I'm so glad I did because I found this size large, which is an excellent size, Patagonia vest, and it's in excellent condition. Gray fleece vest. It is an absolutely excellent condition. I'm like, oh, I cannot believe she's selling this. She had it marked for $5, but she gave me a little bit of a deal on everything, so I picked these up kind of for myself because I really don't know if they'll sell because I don't really sell this brand ever, but they were only marked for 50 cents, so they are the brand Level 99, and they're just like these lightweight ankle crop, and honestly they probably would fit me. I have to try them on. They're size 29, but I think that I could probably wear them. I have pretty big thighs, so I think they could probably wear them. Okay, I just have two more things. I got these, and I got these because they were 50 cents. I don't pick up Lucky Brand that often. Oh wait, I have three things to show you. I have another pair of shoes too. These are a size medium, so I think they would probably fit me, but honestly, they haven't been worn much. But they were only 50 cents, and they're Lucky Brand sandals, and they're kind of like woven, so I picked those up. They haven't been worn too much. And then I found this, which I thought was super cute. It is, what's the brand of this? It said it here. Weird. I was sure this had a brand on it. I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, it's Under Armour. It's Under Armour. It's just this cute blue hat. I'll just probably keep this for myself. It's just a beanie. It's so cute. It looks like it had something here originally. I don't see it anymore, but it's just so cute. So, I have one more thing, and I paid $5 for these. So these are a pair of Lucky Brand boots. They've been worn some, but I wouldn't say much, like not terrible at all. And they're just so nice. I honestly don't know the size. I'm assuming they're an 8. Well, they might be a 7. I'm not sure. She had stuff I think she was selling from her own closet and maybe for someone else's. I don't think they say on the bottom. Wait, there's still a sticker. 7.5, which is my size. Woo! I didn't realize that. Yeah, so these are really nice boots. I don't have any tall boots, so we'll see. I might sell them just because I think Lucky Brand boots will do okay, especially with the winter time coming up. So I might sell them just because I want to make some money back, and those are probably going to be more of a money maker than some of the stuff I got. So yeah, that's everything that I picked up. Obviously that one rummage sale had the best stuff in my opinion. Just had the best brands. A lady said, yeah, these are really nice. This is, you know, I said, she said, oh, I'm so glad you found some stuff you wanted. And she was saying that, she was saying that, she can't fit in it anymore and stuff like that. But, you know, I didn't tell her I was going to resell some of it. But anyway, yeah, I'm really excited with everything. I'm excited about everything. I don't know exactly how much I paid or how much I saved, but she kind of put together a pie and was like, oh, let's just say this is 10. And then I paid 5 for the boots, 5 for the vest, and then my husband got a $10 jacket. So right there, that's 20. And then, so I think I got a really good deal on everything. I think I got a really good deal. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this little garage sale haul for today. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I'm not even to 300 subscribers yet, so I would really, really, really love to get up to 300, and then I'm really trying to make my way to 1,000 so I can get monetized. But anyway, guys, I really appreciate you guys watching. Please like and comment. Comments really, really help my channel as well. If you have a YouTube channel and you need subscribers or you want some more, please let me know, and I would love to check out your videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you later. Bye!